Welcome to Funigen, where engineering is fun, visual, and easy to understand for everyone, not just engineers. Today, we're answering a simple question: what is engineering, and why does it matter so much? What is engineering? Engineering is basically this: using ideas to solve real problems. That's it. It's not just equations, or bridges, or machines. It's the everyday magic of turning what if into here it is. Every phone you use, every road you walk on, every drop of clean water, every building, every airplane, every piece of modern life, all of it exists because someone, somewhere, engineered it. Engineering is everywhere. When your door closes smoothly. Engineering. When your chair holds your weight. Engineering. When your car doesn't break in half on the highway. Definitely engineering. Even your favorite food packaging. Someone engineered that too. Engineering hides in plain sight. You don't notice it, because good engineering works silently. Why engineering matters? Engineering matters because the world has problems. And problems need solutions. Bigger population. Engineers create better infrastructure. Energy challenges. Engineers invent smarter ways to power our homes. Climate issues. Engineers design cleaner systems, greener materials, and more efficient technology. In short, engineering shapes the world, not by talking, but by building. Anyone can understand it. People think engineering is only for smart people or math experts. No. Engineering is for everyone who's curious. If you want to know how things work, you're already halfway there. If you ask why, you're already thinking like an engineer. Funigen makes engineering simple, with visuals, stories, and explanations that make sense. The heart of engineering. At its core, engineering is teamwork between curiosity, can this be better? Creativity, let's try something new. Logic, okay, how do we build it safely? Testing, does it actually work? Improvement, let's make it even better. It's not about being perfect. It's about exploring, fixing, improving, building. What Funigen is about. Funigen takes all the complicated engineering stuff and makes it fun, visual, and easy. No advanced formulas. No confusing jargon. Just clear explanations anyone can enjoy. Because engineering isn't just a career. It's the art of making life better. So if you're curious about how the world works, if you love simple explanations, and if you enjoy learning without feeling overwhelmed, welcome to Funigen, where engineering becomes fun, visual, and easy to understand for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's explore the world of engineering together.